This boat that came in complaining his belt was squealing, so we started up and ran it, and it was his idler that was actually squealing. And so while we were doing that, we also replaced the belt because it was strained. So there's the part, there's the belt. Went to go restart it. The starter didn't want to turn over, and we actually found water in 3 of the cylinders. My video camera decided it didn't want to work when I was doing the video, but there's some water right here, there's some water there, there's some water there. That the cylinders were full of water, and that was causing the problem. I'm not sure if when we turn it over now there'll still be some water that comes out. Go ahead and try it. So that was number 2 that some came out. So this side of the engine is actually hydrolocking that was causing the problem with the starters. You can hear it's turning over great without the spark plugs in it. With spark plugs in it was hydrolocked and didn't like turning over. So it's got an internal issue.